On November 16, 2018, the second International Symposium for the Development of Pediatric Medical Devices was hosted in Lübeck, Germany. The symposium specifically focuses on the needs of children and adolescents and is sponsored by the German Federal Ministry of Health. Children and adolescents are entitled to qualified medical care, incorporating the most recent developments in technology and science. In addition to the well-known pediatric gap in the field of scientifically based pharmacotherapy, there is also an unresolved lack of adequate medical products for the pediatric field. More than 80 participants from medicine, research and development in universities and industry, as well as from the Federal Institute for Drugs and Medical Devices, intensively discussed the needs and current challenges.
I am personally interventionalist, transcatheter interventionalist in congenital heart diseases, and what we have as a problem is that we need special solutions for special kids, and these kids are really rare. So every individual kid has some problem which we would like to deal with. We have ideas to do so, but what we would like to have is medical devices, catheters, occluders, stents, which were produced cheap but in small series with a special possibility to implant it in children.
Regulatory requirements, higher development costs, low market share and insufficient remuneration are currently hampering research and development in this field. Protection through research is therefore necessary to ensure that children and adolescents participate adequately in medical progress.
We have extremely strict regulations for safety, but we have completely neglected that we are in charge to develop new devices, especially for a small group of patients, and we really should go for that.
Due to the currently changing medical device legislation, the difficulties and possible solutions for the current and future development of medical devices for children and adolescents in Germany and at EU level were intensively discussed.
So I see a need for the implementation of new legislation. Although I know that we have a lot of new legislation currently, there's no reflection for guidelines and requirements for the development of medical devices for children. Furthermore, I think and I believe that we need new guidelines which could help the industry and the physicians or stakeholders to develop further innovative medical devices and to further develop existing medical devices which are focused on the needs of children.
A topic of great topicality and urgency regarding the challenge of the upcoming medical device regulation. In addition to the focus on regulatory affairs, the second focus, research and development, provided an in-depth exchange on existing clinical needs, as well as corresponding current and developing medical technology solutions for childhood and adolescence. Thus, digitization, increasingly personalized medicine, additive manufacturing with 3D printing technology, and miniaturization in micro and nanomedicine show promising developments, enabling individualized tailor-made medical technology solutions for children and adolescents. Furthermore, many approaches and impulses for the promotion and dissemination of innovations in medical technology for children were gathered. In addition to a welcoming address by Minister Dr. Heine Garg and the university, the conference was also attended by speakers from the USA, UK, Belgium and Netherlands, Austria and Germany. The importance of the Symposium for Health Policy was underlined by the contribution of Dr. Lauer, head of the Medical Devices Division at BFARM. The organisers of the symposium, Professor Dr. Lutz Wunsch and Dr. Ludger Tussaus from the Department of Pediatric Surgery of the UKSH and the University of Lübeck respectively, were satisfied with the response. They described the event as a successful continuation of a constructive dialogue between all participants, in which the problems and the potential of the topic was highlighted. The symposium is a milestone for the development of medical technology suitable for children, and the connection between innovation and social task has rarely been made so clear.